Hi, my name is MK Uswa, the Pidgin English teacher or coach. I know, it's been a while. I've not posted any videos. It's been so long. Some of you have been wondering, what's going on with this guy? Okay, I don't come now. Okay, I will begin to do more videos. I will begin to publish more videos. All I want you to do right now is tell me exactly what you want me to write about, what you want me to create a video on. Okay, just post it in the comments and I'll create a video for you. So anything you want me to talk about, anything you don't know in Pidgin that you want me to teach you, just post it in the comments. Okay, anything at all. I'm going to reply the comments. I'm also trying to create more videos for you. Okay, now if you want a comprehensive training on how to speak Pidgin English, I have a very comprehensive training on that. It's teaching you from A to Z about major and popular Pidgin English words in audio formats, and it's very comprehensive. Now, if the videos have been helpful, then you should know that the audios also could be helpful. Now, if you click the link below, you can go to a page where you can make the payment. Now, this is not for everybody, but if you really want to get serious for Pidgin, you should do it, all right? No problem. So just make sure you post your comments below, okay? So make you no fear anything. Just post your comments below. You understand what I talk now? Anything where you want to learn for Pidgin, where you don't know, any question where you want make an answer, post them for the comments. Make I answer them for you. You understand? If you get anything where a person don't tell you, or something where you don't hear, or anything at all where you want make I teach you for Pidgin, just post them. I will answer you. You understand me now? No wahala. Now MK Uswa.